और डाउन में रहने का रनिंग का टाइम में और डाउन में रहने का रनिंग का टाइम में for the hanger system. We have 2 jigs. This is for men, just to lose one into screw. We can change, and then this is for woman. Okay, by pressing, here we have two pedals. If I press the left pedal, the suction is starting. After 5 seconds, the suction is off. On the panel, menu, timer, I can select the timeout suction, so I can increase or reduce in case I need. Standard is 5 seconds. With the right pedal, when I put the panel here, I press the right pedal, the internal jig is coming down. I press again the right pedal, the external jigs comes down, the suction is turning off, but in case the operator need to return back, two way, or I press reset and the two jigs rise, ready, or I press here 1 and 2. In case I need to return back, I press the left pedal and then one more. By the panel, here I have a function. Okay, if I press the panel, if I press the function, I have a zip or button hold. Man or woman, and stacker on or off. Now in this case I keep on the stacker, man and zip. Okay, we can start. So the operator fold here as usual the zip, fold by hand. I position here the panel, I press the right pedal again, and then to start sewing I press the right pedal again. Here the stacker. Okay, in this case it is okay. Okay, now the machine is set for man. In case I need to set the machine for woman, I press function. Here I have to select woman, and then I have to change the parameter on the memory switch 201 on the brother panel. So here on the brother panel, menu, setting, memory switch, parameter 201, now is 135. I have to select minus 135. Okay, now is for woman. Of course, here I have to select the program for woman, so I select the woman, and woman. Now I have a woman. Okay. Now I lower the jigs 1 and 2 and press start. The clamps positioning on the other side, and then I have to remove the two screw and change the jigs from man to woman. Okay, so, and then here we have a different measure for different zip. For example, here you can see on the panel woman 25. In this case, if I select the program woman 25, I have to set the jigs. Here there is the marker 25, 25, and that's it. 25, 25, and machine now is ready to work for woman. On the brother panel I have this program, main 30 mm and 220 is the length. 30 millimeters means that from the pin, this is the pin that the operator positioning the panel here on the pin, and from pin to the first sewing is 30 millimeter. Here on the jigs, if you see this is the mark, and 30 millimeter, this is the reference, is 30. So in case the operator need to change the size of the fly, just to move up and down and positioning from 20 to 40, there is a difference between the pin and the jigs.